Sebastian Vettel managed to get into Q3 after 15 races at Portugal and was one step closer to score his first point with his new team. But he failed to do so as his AMR 21 lagged race pace. Now he has opened up his thoughts on the same. He began explaining, "It was quite a busy and difficult race with a very long stint on the medium tyres. I think after 10 laps, it was difficult to really keep close to the group ahead, and we just couldn't stay with them and ultimately lost out. It looks like overall, we just didn't have enough pace today to score points. I think we understand the car better and better, but we are lacking a bit of speed. So we need to work on that. I don't think we could have done anything different with the strategy, but overall, we did not have enough pace or consistency to hold on to the group fighting for points." McLaren to run special livery for Monaco Grand Prix. McLaren are bringing the iconic blue and orange colors of Gulf Oil Black to Formula One with a special one-off livery for the next weekend's Monaco Grand Prix. Red Bull race pace not good enough to challenge Mercedes. Max Verstappen said, "I think overall we just lacked a little bit of pace compared to Mercedes in the race. We knew last year already we were not particularly strong here. I think this weekend has been a little bit better, but still not good enough. I tried everything I could, got past Lewis, but I could just not attack Valtteri, and then Lewis. Once he had passed me, you could see he had more pace, so I just tried to stay close, but ultimately, second was the best result we could get today." Hamilton wants new contract by summer break. He said, "Contract wise, we never want to be in the position that we were in January and in February. We still have 19 races to do, but it would be great to get something in place before the break." Ferrari want to fight for wins very soon, reveals Leclerc. He said, "I think the team has done a great job by expecting pretty quickly that we have done a step back in 2020, and then we have been working in the best way possible. I think since that moment onwards, and this year, we can see that the team has done a great job by just making steps in the right direction." Hey guys, if you have enjoyed this video, please feel free to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.